Clara here. I just saw Cecily's video a couple of days ago, and well, it was good. Very, very good, yeah. But I'm probably better at this than she is, I think. Even though I don't have any awesome guests like Nuka Nule. That's too bad. But I'm here alone in my room. I just got home from drama exam. And I got 4, which is, well, it's over with, and that's the best. So yeah, we're in the middle of the exams, and we're done soon, and it's so nice. I can't wait. But 2 more to go, and we're done. Yeah. So it's just a little update on what I'm doing at the time, which is reading, studying, playing the guitar. Yeah. So not much is happening. Not much exciting either way. Well, bye!